Welcome to the Brelsford Vineyard Apartments located next door to the CIC Building on the WSU Tri Cities campus. This open-concept two-bedroom design includes a large, fully equipped kitchen with plenty of cabinets and counter space. The self-contained laundry will also be a real time saver. Each of the two full bathrooms include a tub and shower combination. Every unit includes air conditioning and heat with free Wi-Fi and bulk cable boasting 150 plus channels. The two bedrooms are separated by the living room for added privacy and quiet study time for each resident. We have an on-site property manager to quickly help with any issues that may arise. Other amenities include a heated pool, indoor fitness center, and outdoor sports court. There is plenty of parking with an option to rent a covered parking space. Come live with us at Brelsford Vineyard Apartments.